Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here. So I wanted to come and show you some of my favorite art supplies that I use when I do DIYs. So I will tell you where I get them from and where you can get them from and where you can get good prices from. To get a good price for your buck. So let's get started. So the first thing is this right here. Now this is a bedazzled. I actually blinged out a wooden, and when I say wooden, a wooden coaster. So it's originally, if you can see, it's originally wooden, but on one side I actually bedazzle it. And this bedazzle stuff you can get off of Amazon.com. They come in, oh my God, they are the AB crystals sheets. And this you can glue them on or adhesive them on, however you want to do it. It's like that. Now the wooden part of it you can get out of Walmart. I got this out of Walmart in a set of two. Let me just say a set of two. And yeah, that's that. Okay. So let's see. Glitters. Okay, let me just show you. This is almost empty, but this is the shiny extra fine glitter in sterling silver. I have it in sterling silver, Caribbean, um, crystal quartz, true silver. Um, I also have it in sapphire. I have them in all colors, from silvers, whites, blues, purples. I have them all. That's one of my favorite things to use is that. So that's that. Let me show you. Plastic cups. Now these plastic cups comes in handy when I am doing multiple art pieces. I am working on an art piece right now and thing. And so that is what I am looking forward to. Um, Little sticks, these type of sticks, and you can get mostly everything I'm showing you. You can get out of Walmart. Now this you can get out of Walmart as well in the craft section, and I use these to mix my paint. So if I'm doing a specialty, creating a specialty color, I use these sticks. So that is a key. Now the different types of glues I use is noted, and the one that I use a lot of to do some of my crafting with is the E6000 glue. I just don't have one with me at the moment, but some of my glue I use is the Endale Original Sticky Glue, all-purpose glue. I also have the Gorilla Original Glue. It holds wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, glass, and a lot more, and it's waterproof. So that is that. Also have the Undell Original Clear Glue, Sticky Glue, all-purpose adhesive. So that's that. Now, another thing I love to use for my paint, when I'm using a little bit of paint for a little something, I love this. I love using this. You can find this at Walmart, and I think you can get it for about $1, $2, $3, $4 max. So, yeah. Now, another thing I like to get is I go to Family Dollar to get these. Now, these my aunt left me, so let me take these out. But these are the Nari all-purpose gloves, latex free and powder free. So yeah, that's these gloves right here. And you can, it says use them for household cleaning, painting, and pet care. So yeah, those are that. So let me put these other ones back up in there. So That's them. Now, I have, I'm pulling up a lot of stuff I'm going to pull up. So, let's see. I have command strips. Now these are I actually use the real deal command strips to put up my artwork. I use the real deal. Um, I feel like if you use the real deal command strips, they work a little more better than the off brand. So if you want to put up your artwork, make sure you use the real command strips. So that's that. What I use. Let's see what else is in this drawer. Oh my god. I use the binder clips notes things right here, and they come in handy pretty good. And I use this anytime I'm doing a mirrored piece and it needs to be put on one piece and it needs to stay in place. These are what I'm using. Okay, what else? Oh my god, let me show you. Fingernail file. Now you wondering what I'm using with this fingernail thing. Let me tell you what I use this fingernail piece for. And as you see, it has three-sided smooth nail. Let's see, remove edges. I use these on my art, the edging of my artwork. When I use like, oh my god, I'm gonna show it to you next, but I have this. So yeah, this is something I use on my edging of my artwork to just smooth out my edges. With let's see, I got me a, oh my god, let me see what I call this. A heat gun, my crafting heat gun. So yeah, I got my crafting heat gun. I love it. I gotta wipe it down, but it works pretty good. So yeah. So we have that. Haven't used them yet, but this is some decorative decor pieces right here. So this is just a pack of four. And these are the Lux Hover Grafted Sequin Edging Trim. Oh my god. These are pretty good. So yeah. What else? I got these. So this next product I never got to use for Christmas. So I'm going to find a way to use them in a design. So we're going to see how it will go. But these are silver tip feathers, and you can get these off of Amazon.com. Silver tip feathers. I will probably look them up before I can tell you where to get them. But yeah. Let's see what else we have up in here. We have quick grip. Is sort of like a E6000, and this stuff works pretty well when you want something to stay. Let's see. We got letters, different kind of letters in there. So yeah, and then we have some mixing, like the cup mixing. I use these to mix paint as well. I have different things to mix certain things. All right, let's see. All right, in this bag, I have. Let me see if I can get it pulled. I have some gloves, a paintbrush, and I have my silver leaf and my silver leaf adhesive up in here. This is where I keep it, and the adhesive and all of the silver leaf you can find on Amazon.com. So yeah, we have my glue gun, little small glue gun. This is a glue gun you can get at Walmart for about $4 or $5. All right, so the next thing we have is the apple barrel pouring mix, and this is something that I got off of Walmart.com for $7. Then this stuff, I actually found this stuff on Walmart.com, And I got to holler, give a shout out to Tisha J. I hope I pronounced her name right. Tisha J here on the tube. She actually uses this product, and I said, let me try this product. I'm creative. I probably can use it. So this is the Floetrol latex base paint added, and it eliminates brush strokes, rolling marks, everything. So yeah, so that's this right here, and I got this off of Walmart.com, and I end up paying about $12 for that. And my little other tools is when I have to do some cutting or anything. Let's let y'all see this. So first we have a roller cut. So this is something I love using. So you can find this in the fabric section. So yeah. So then you have these clippers. You can find that in the craft section. Now, I'm going to show you, I'm going to pick up my paints in a minute, but I'm going to scoot back for a bit. But this is my go-to silver paint I use a lot on my artwork in the living room. So this is the Folk Art Tradition Quality Metallic finish paint. This is an 8 fluence ounce from Walmart, and this is the 873E sterling silver. I will put this in the bottom, but let me show you what I keep. Oh, I have a lot of paint, so let me show you. So these are the colored paints that I use a lot of right here. So you have different tones of purples, silvers, white, and everything. So yeah, in purple. So that's this one. And these containers I got from. Oh, where did I get these containers from? I got these containers from Tuesday mornings. There we go. I got them for Tuesday mornings, and I paid about $4, about $3 a piece for them, so about $6 and something I paid for them. And here's the other paints right here. Right here. So this is the other paints and thing. But now let me tell you where I get my art canvases and everything. Oh yeah, I can't get them right quick, but my art brushes. All of my art brushes come from Walmart. Come from Walmart, not from Walmart.com. In Walmart from the craft section. And usually when I get my art brushes, if I have to get new ones, I don't pay no more than like $5 or $6 or $7 for them. Depends what if I want them to stay or how long I want them to stay. That's one. Number two, my art canvases. If you notice that I have, you might see these blue ones right behind me. Those are the little ones. I use different sizes, and I get all of my art canvases from Walmart. They're ranging, depends on how much they are, from the smallest ranging from $4 all the way up to $18. That's how much those art canvases at Walmart. Also, you can get them from, if you're looking for a set, you can get a set off of Amazon.com ranging from $15 to $25. But yes, that is it. That is all of my artwork. Well, I won't say all of my artwork, all of my art supplies that I uses. Now, if you're looking for any of this stuff, I will leave you some links at the bottom. But my tips on buying art supplies. One, think about the project you're doing is one. Number two, when you're looking for art supplies, like I said, think of what you're doing. Think of the colors and things, what you're looking for. Now, my third thing is when it comes to your paint, I say your best bet of getting good paint, to get good paint, check Amazon.com. Make sure you check Target, Amazon.com, Target, Walmart.com, and in the store of Walmart. But sometimes Walmart will have sets, and Walmart will have the sets of 10 for about $5 or something. And that's how mostly I gradually collected all of my paint and stuff. I'm very creative in everything. So if you're creative like me and you like this video, thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe.